Welcome back to another trade recap. Today I made $0 day trading. Let's get into it. Bias. Okay, so off of open, what I wanted to see was this 30-minute bearish for value gap get mitigated and then take a slower. Because I thought the overall draw today was what we were gonna this unfilled gap right here, and I thought that was the overall draw for the day. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take shorts until then. And then off open, we push lower. We get an opportunity for a long, but it's not really that good in my opinion because the close is just really high in the leg. You could go for something like this. I don't like plays like these though, and this is just my opinion. And then after we interacted with this 1 hour bearish for value gap, I wanted to take shorts, but I was looking at ES and we were just like pumping higher and higher. And then we had just ran these draws up here. So I was like kind of iffy on shorts for the day. And then I kind of just got off, but I want to review this setup because this one setup that I have marked right here, because I think that this was a pretty good setup. You get rejection out of here, rejection of this 1 hour bearish, you get some internal manipulation, you get a 30-second, where's the close? You get a 30-second close right here, stop loss at the wick, TP here, and I think that this is a good setup. In theory, I think that the fact that ES is very uncorrelated, it makes it like kind of iffy, but you sit and draw down for a little bit. And you push lower. At 10:30, a 15-minute gap opens up. Now you're bouncing off of that. So you should be break even right here. You should be break even. And then you push lower, your break even gets ran right there. You end up smashing full TP. I think that this was the best play of the day in my opinion. I think that this is something that like I would have been confident in taking. But after we had already mitigated the gap, I just kind of done for the day. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, it's a short recap today, guys. It's probably gonna be like 4 or 5 minutes. I'm just like not feeling it today. Just like my whole psych in general just is like been pretty rough recently. I'm gonna be a transparent trader on here, and I wanna like be honest with y'all. Like mentally, I'm just not doing well. Like I just got a lot of stuff going on. Like I feel like I'm struggling a lot with different things in life, and I think that it's hard to try to come on here every day and try to trade when you know you got so much like going on the back end. Gotta post recaps every day, and yeah, just not where I want to be at in life. Yeah, just not where I want to be at in life. And yeah, I don't know. I don't want to take a break from trading, but I might not trade live. Well, not trade live, but I might not post like I'll still post recaps, but I don't know if I'm going to engage with price for a little bit. I'm not positive on my decision yet. I just keep like just failing at some stuff in my life, and like it's frustrating. Like, I know failure is growth, but like, it's not easy to take losses over and over again. You know what I'm saying? I feel like in trading recently, I've just been trading terribly. I'm down like a band. I feel like this price action is hard to navigate, and that's no excuse because I click the buttons. But it's definitely like, I'm a relatively new trader. I've been trading for about a year, and this is the hardest price action I've ever seen. I started trading NQ in February, so I've only been trading NQ for like 4 or 5 months. And I just like, I'm just trying my best to like navigate through this price action, and like, I really want to start bringing more traction to this page and accomplish goals I want to have with this page and help people and all that type of stuff. But I feel like it's hard to accomplish that if I'm not winning trades. You know what I'm saying? And like, although I'm on a losing streak right now, I know I can bounce back, but I just, yeah. I mean, things happen, and there's gonna be a day where I look back at these past events and trials I had to go through, and I'm thanking God that I went through them to grow to be a better person. 3% of day traders make it for a reason, bro. And I just gotta keep remembering that. I've been slipping with my relationship with God. I haven't read my Bible in like a week. I'm just all over the place, bro. Like, but I don't even want to be on camera anymore. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, oh my gosh. That's probably gonna be it for today's trade recap. I'll see y'all, boys.